Hello and welcome to another Kamwo eScript tutorial. Today we will be covering one of the most requested topics, how to dose granules on eScript. A step-by-step guide on how to input and dose your custom herbal granules prescription using eScript. If you're a practitioner who often prescribes herbal formulas, this video is going to be super helpful for you. So let's get right into it. First things first, open up eScript and go to the Custom RX tab. A drop-down menu will appear and select Custom Granules. In the first prescription formula section, you have two options. First, you can pick a preloaded traditional formula from a list of traditional formulas with preloaded dosages. The second option is to manually type in single herb ingredients along with the corresponding grams. Now, all granule dosages on eScript are based on traditional raw herbal formula dosing for a single day. So make sure to fill in herb ingredient doses as if you are writing a raw herbal formula. Additionally, the total weight of the formula in grams will be displayed. eScript is your helpful assistant here, seamlessly converting raw herb doses into percentages. It then applies these calculated percentages to the total gram amount you intend to prescribe for your patient. There's no need for you to perform any calculations. Depending on the quantity of granules you want to purchase, such as 100, 150, or 200 grams, eScript will adjust the prescription accordingly. Keep in mind that the total amount of grams required is determined by both the daily dosage in grams and the length of time the patient will be taking this formulation. We will discuss the daily dosage options later in this video. Remember, the ratio of raw herbs to granules is 5:1. That means 5 units of raw herbs are equivalent to 1 unit of granules. Decide on the daily gram dosage for your patient. Based on a 5:1 ratio, simply divide the prescription weight by 5 to get the daily granules dose in grams. For instance, if the weight of your formula is 50 grams, dividing it by 5 gives a daily dosage of 10 grams. Some practitioners stick to a 5:1 ratio, no matter how big the original formula is. Just remember, a big formula means a big dose, which can be hard to take. That's something to think about with granules. For this reason, many practitioners opt for a consistent daily dosage of 10 to 15 grams of granules, irrespective of the formula's size. There is no universally accepted method. The appropriate dosage often depends on your own dosing philosophy. Whether you like loose granules or the convenience of capsules, eScript has you covered. You can prescribe in the form that suits your patient best. One last thing. If you go for capsules, each one is about 0.675 grams. This is based on 100 grams divided into 150 capsules. Keep that in mind when creating your prescription. And there you have it. You just learned how to input and dose a custom herbal granules prescription using eScript. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at customerservicekamwo.com. Don't forget to like this video if it was useful, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.